Wait. Okay. Let's say I have a program printf enter a character. Okay. The character is stored in C, and then the user will enter a number. Enter a number. Okay. Then the number will go inside num. Okay, and then we are printing the character and number. Let's run this program. Enter a character, let's say h. Enter a number, let's say 5. Okay. See, the output character is printed h and number printed equal to 5. Okay. So the program runs perfectly. Understood till here?
Yes.
Now let's say if I want to take the number first. Okay. If I want to take the integer input in the beginning and character after that, then what happens? Look, enter a number, let's say 5. Now see, enter a character, we couldn't even enter the character, and then the whole program got executed after that. Okay, why did it happen? Why couldn't we enter the character? Why did it happen?
Don't know.
This happens because when you enter an integer number, okay, and press enter, a escape sequence goes with it. It means, let's say, if you enter 6, okay, if you enter 6, and when you press enter, a escape sequence is generated. Okay, a escape sequence \n is generated, and it goes with the 6. So what is happening is this 6 is getting stored inside this num. Okay, and this \n, this escape sequence is getting stored inside this C variable. Okay, and this is the reason we are not able to give any input to C. Okay, this C has already taken this input \n. इसी के कारण क्या हो रहा है, कैरेक्टर प्रिंटेड परसेंट सी एक्चुअल में क्या है, वो बैकस्लैश एन है. ओके, so it is printing backslash n is nothing but escape sequence, so nothing gets printed. So how can we solve it? Okay, we can solve it by making a temporary variable. Okay, we will create a temporary variable. So like we are creating a temporary variable of type character. Okay, and now what we are doing is after this scanf of integer, we are writing scanf of a character %c address of m. Okay, so now what happens is this 6 goes inside the num variable, and this \n it goes inside the temp variable. Okay, so now we are free to take a input inside this character. Okay, now we are free to take input. Let's run this program. Enter a number 5, and look, now we are able to take a character input. Let's say I write k. Now see, character printed k, number printed 5. Okay, so whenever, remember this, whenever you want to take a input of type character or string after integer, float, double, okay, then you always have to create a temporary variable. Okay, this temporary variable is needed because we have to store the escape sequence. Okay, this escape sequence is stored in buffer memory, and then this memory has to be loaded inside the temporary variable. so that we can take character input afterwards. ठीक है, तो ये जो इंटीजर है, इंटीजर फ्लोट ये सब जो होते हैं डेटा टाइप्स, ये जब भी जाते हैं एंटर मारने के बाद एक एस्केप सीक्वेंस के साथ जाते हैं, ये सब स्टोर हो जाते हैं। तो नंबर तो स्टोर हो जाता है इंटीजर टाइप के वेरिएबल में, लेकिन ये जो बैक स्लैश एन है ये स्टोर हो जाता है कैरेक्टर के अंदर। ठीक है, इसीलिए हमें एक टेम्पोररी वेरिएबल हमेशा बनाना पड़ेगा जब भी वी आर टेकिंग अ कैरेक्टर और स्ट्रिंग इनपुट आफ्टर इंटीजर और फ्लोट। ओके।
and that